Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and hope you're all doing great. Every morning, I say that so often, that initial phrase. It's pretty funny. But no, in this video, we'll look at Beam, which I didn't cover yesterday. I should have, or yeah, I kind of should have, but there were so many, like it broke out in the morning, so I didn't really see the bullish breakout until I checked my positions, because I still am in a position. I took some more profits here at 2.15. But yeah, no, it broke out. Should have covered it yesterday. Didn't do it. You'll get an update today. All right, we're covering it today. Beam's still very bullish. I mean, it's still getting a lot of attention on crypto Twitter. See, fundamentally, I think there's definitely reasons for why Beam is bullish like this, and I think they are deserved. But in the end, I mean, I must say, and I think I said this yesterday as well, I think there's a bit of manipulation as well. I mean, if you look at the volume, it's not bad, but there's still quite a lot of volume from Turkish volume sources. Bitrue, Hotcoin, doesn't really matter. I mean, in the end, every crypto is manipulated to a certain extent. I think that's going on with Beam as well. But it's not a problem. And if you look at Beam right now, if you look at the open interest, you'll see, like, this is manipulated. All right, this is for sure. Every time the price bumps up, you get a huge spike in open interest. And right now, we're in the same situation as we were the last time we covered it. All right, it's pretty interesting, and Beam is actually quite predictable, I would say, because what's the case right now is that Beam is just stuck again. Last time around, if you remembered my last video on Beam, what I said is that, hey, Beam is consolidating here between 1.65 or 1.6 even and 1.95 cents, and we'll have to wait for a breakout. And it's most likely that will be a bullish breakout, because usually if the price is trending up like this and the price starts moving sideways, usually it will continue. Now, the market circumstances were a little bit shaky in the last couple of days, as most of you know, I think. So that's why it wasn't guaranteed. But in the end, the moment Beam broke above 1.95 cents, it was to be expected that we would reach 2.15 and 2.25 cents. So that is where we are right now. And you could have made a nice trade on that as well, because we had a beautiful break retest here. So the situation right now is exactly the same. We have strong support at, let's say, 1.9 cents, and then strong resistance at 2.25 cents. Even though the price hasn't gotten there, I do kind of still expect a spike up there. But in the end, it's waiting for a breakout again. All right, so let me neutralize these levels in color. It's just waiting for that. That's really everything you need to know. All right, Beam right now is consolidated in this area, or at least it's starting to form a consolidation in this area, and we're waiting for a bullish or a bearish breakout. And what's most likely here? Well, I mean, if you look at the past, and if you look at what happens every single time, then what always happened is a bullish breakout. All right, so that Beam breaks above 2.25 here, and then probably rallies all the way up to 2.5, the area around 2.5, so 2.45 and 2.55. That's the next psychological level. It's a major psychological level, and Beam reacts a lot to the 5. All right, so 1.95, 1.5 or 2.15 cents, 1.65, 1.85 here as well. No, that's the same. 1.35 here. So it reacts to those levels, and here you have 2.45, 2.55, and then 2.5. So I think that bullish breakout is most likely. That is what always happened in the past. Market circumstances are a little bit more bearish right now, so keep an eye on that. In the end, just wait for that confirmation. Because if Beam right now, for example, finds a lot of resistance at 2.25 and the market turns sour, then Beam could just as well break below 1.9 and then start dropping down towards 1.7, 1.6 and get bearish. All right. So those are my thoughts, and that's everything you need to know. If you still do have any questions, then of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.